Here on Schoolroom Earth, we're now sitting our final soul test exam, and it is quite a challenge. It presents itself in the shape of war, with the haunting spectacle of innocent civilians caught in the crossfire of the protagonists. So, how do we respond? Do we club together and buy ourselves a small elevated planet tank and go and sort these bullies out once and for all? Should we be equipping ourselves with holy hand grenades to fight fire with fire? Well, taking a step back, maybe that's not such a great idea. Attempting to resolve issues created by polarity thinking with polarity thinking only succeeds in continuing the cycle. As such, we will put the elevated planet tank idea on the back burner for now. Anyway, the good news is that while we sit for this exam, it is perfectly acceptable to sneak a peek at the responses of those cleverest students. And having got the answer, it's also actively encouraged that you allow others to look over your shoulder so that they can get it right too. This week we turn to Clever Clog students Gregg, Braden and our higher dimensional non-physical chum Abraham, channeled by Esther Hicks, so that we can ace our exam. Yes, it turns out that we are not mere powerless observers of conflict. Indeed, we can choose to deploy a weapon so powerful that we can end war forever and step into our world of unspeakable beauty. So no need to fear this exam because we already have all the answers. Join us on Sunday, 3 p.m. UK, 11 a.m. Eastern and 8 a.m. Pacific to see if this all resonates as truth or deluded nonsense for you. We hope to see you there.